Asian stocks down as multiple trade disputes worry investors. File in this April 5, 2018, file photo, an NYSE logo adorns the entrance to the trading floor of the New York Stock Exchange. The U.S. stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. EDT on Thursday, June 21. AP photo, Richard Drew, file, Seoul, South Korea. AP, Asian stocks fell Friday following Wall Street losses overnight as investors were still wary over trade disputes between China and the U.S., as well as between the U.S. and Europe that could hurt corporate profit and jobs. Keeping score, Japan's Nikkei 225 lost 0.9% to 22,500.45, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index edged down 0.2% to 29,257.41. Shanghai Composite Index added 0.2% to 2,881.13, but it was still more than 5% lower than the start of the week. South Korea's Kospi rose 0.3% to 2,344.55 after losing more than 3% this week. Australia's S. Analysts take heightened global trade tensions remain a theme going into the end of the week, said Jing Yi Pan, a market strategist at IG. The overnight action on Wall Street had once again been one of risk-off, continuing to cast the shadows into the end of the week for Asia. Trade tensions. The U.S. is to start taxing $34 billion in Chinese goods in 2 weeks, while Beijing has vowed to retaliate with its own tariffs on U.S. soybeans and other farm products. The European Union is set to slap tariffs on $3.4 billion in American products on Friday, in response to the U.S. move to impose tariffs on steel and aluminum from around the globe. Turkey also imposed tariffs on nearly 24 U.S. products starting Thursday to strike back at Washington's sanctions on imported steel and aluminum. On Thursday, German automaker Daimler said the tariffs China plans to put on cars imported from the U.S. will contribute to a small decline in earnings this year. Wall Street, U.S. stock markets finished lower on Thursday. The Nasdaq Composite lost 68.56 points, or 0.9%, to 7,712.95. The Russell 2000 index of smaller company stocks declined 18.04 points, or 1.1%, to 1,688.95. Oil prices of oil rose ahead of OPEC meeting on Friday. Benchmark U.S. crude gained 95 cents to $66.49 per barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange. On Thursday, it dropped 0.3% to $65.54 a barrel in New York. Brent crude, the international standard for oil prices, rose 96 cents to $74.01 per barrel in London. It lost 2.3% to $73.05 a barrel on Thursday. Currencies, the dollar rose to 110 yen from 109 yen and 99 cents, while the euro strengthened to $1.161 from 1.160. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.